Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Like I said from last week, our work from now on will be based on Australia file, the one that I gave you last week, yeah. So this week I'm going to do some revision, and if we have time, I will add bullets and numbering in our lesson. Okay, so I will revise back from the beginning that we have learned. Can you tell me what we have learned from the beginning? We have
What styles?
styles,
Formatting.
document,
Tables.
images, and
Table.
tables. Okay, so this will come out in your test next week. So don't worry. We will revise. We'll do some revision on this. And then please take note of all the tips that I'm telling you, okay? All the things that you should watch when you are doing your test later, okay? Or when you are formatting the document. Understand? Can, yeah? Okay, so when you got your document, the first thing that you should do is, okay, you should go through the document, see whether it's the correct one or not, okay? And please check it with your question paper. Okay, how to know? Check with question paper whether do you open the correct document or not, okay? So when you open, what are the first thing that you should do? Usually, question paper, okay, usually you have to do the styles first, okay, the style. Okay, let us look at this. I'll show you, yeah, the question paper that we have here. Usually, they will ask you to format first, formatting. Formatting using what? Formatting styles, formatting your font, using style, okay? If you look at this question paper, yeah, you are required to create information page about Australia for Form 1 student. So now you are supposed to type this, okay? Log on and load a word processor, which means that...
Do we do this now?
I'm going to tell you now. Can we go through the question paper?
Okay.
Okay. So make changes to the text provided by your teacher to fit the purpose. Okay, what's the purpose? The purpose is to create information page about Australia for Form 1 student. So that is for the purpose. So you should know to whom you are creating this document to primary student, secondary student, old people, because different people has different preference. Okay, like younger people like colorful things. Okay. Older people doesn't like colorful. They like standardized. They like something that is proper, something that is what I would say is quite dull. We don't need too much color as compared to the teenagers and to the kids. Okay, teenagers are a bit mature, so you should know, okay, your audience. You should know to whom you are creating this document. Okay, so when you get your question paper, read the first instructions. Okay, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Clear? Okay, now let's go to the next one.
So,
Yes,
what is word processor?
this Word, Microsoft Word.
Oh,
Okay, Word document.
Okay.
An application that is being used to process the words. Okay, so type the following passage in a new blank document. Okay, what you can do sometimes, you don't have to type. Highlight, copy. Okay, and then paste.
But teacher, they told us to type in the question paper, right?
Okay, listen, be smart in test. Okay, do you type or do you copy?
Copy.
Okay,
We
get it?
type. Okay.
Don't type. I'm telling you, there are few
Teacher,
things that you, some tips. Didn't I say that there are tips? So these are the tips. Okay, so these are the tips. Yes.
What week are we in, teacher?
Ayo, can someone please tell him what we are in? Aduh,
Seven.
can you see this?
We are discussing the question paper, like teacher showing us the question paper.
For attendance.
Week 1. It's
Week
there in the
7.
chat box.
Week 7, class 1.
Yeah, week 7, class 1. I told you already just now, Sano, in the chat box.
Teacher, I couldn't hear anything then.
Yes, I know. I have told you earlier. Week 7, class 1. I said check in the chat box. It's just up there. Check in the chat box. Chat box. A bit further than you ask me. Just a bit. Can I just continue with this now?
Yes.
Okay. So now, what you will do, open the unformatted text file open. So we have open. Copy and paste. Okay. Copy and paste the text into your document. Place the text below the first paragraph you have entered. Okay, meaning that what they want you to do is, even though they say type this, okay, the first they say type this thing, type this, okay. After you finish typing all this, they want you to copy the whole of this document under the new document that you have.
Teacher, imagine in the test it said.
Can I
entire
proceed to this? I don't want anyone to interrupt me while I'm recording. Okay.
You're talking? Oh,
Am I not talking right now? I
I
am,
didn't
right?
hear you for a second. I just didn't hear you for a second.
Okay, so let me just remind all of you, while I'm recording for your lesson, please do not interrupt. Okay? Or with something that has nothing to do with our lesson. Be it our attendance, be it whatever, please don't. Okay? Why? Because I need to finish this, okay? Do you understand? I'm not angry, I'm just telling you for future reference. Okay? So let's go back to our lesson here. The question said you are supposed to type this in new document, and then you are supposed to copy all this. Copy all this and paste it in new document. Okay? So say this is how it's supposed to be. Type, copy Australia, and paste it under the paragraph that you have typed. Okay? That's what the question asks you to do. But if you are smart enough and you want to lessen a bit of your work, you can also open Australia, right click, copy this, and just paste it on top of Australia. This actually will give you, will minimize any mistake. Okay, this also can. So there are many ways that you can do. What the question one is actually, can you please mute? The rest, please mute. Check your sound, mute. Someone is not muting, I can hear. Allahu Akbar.
Mine is already muted.
Okay, so let's go back to our question here. Now, okay, whatever that they want, as long as you give, however you do, it doesn't matter. Okay, copy and paste your text. Okay, so we have our text here like this already. They want it to be like this, so we do it. Okay, make changes to the appearance. Okay, the first thing the question will ask you is formatting the whole document so that it suits the purpose of the audience. Okay, you may use the range of text formatting options such as this, and this. Okay, for this, okay, for this. Okay, this is all question. At this time, okay, there's no syllabus, in the syllabus, styles was not created yet. Okay, there's no style yet. So when they say formatting or follow the question paper, for sure your question paper will touch on formatting. Formatting, you have to create style. Okay. So let's go back to my document here, to our document here. The first thing formatting is by creating style, then image. Okay. So when you are supposed to create style, follow what your question paper said. Follow what your question paper say. Don't say, teacher, I follow everything already. Why I got only 2 marks? No, 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 baby. Follow. If the question paper said, create style name Australia, create. Don't put AT1, ATST1, and no. If they say create Australia style title 1, put. Australia subtitle 1, put. Follow exactly. Yes.
Yeah, so if you are when we are gonna create stuff, we have to follow exactly the style name.
Exactly what the style name is.
Oh,
That
okay,
is
okay.
what, okay, in IGCSE, they say this is the only thing that we look. If we look, we don't have this thing, we will ignore everything. That is called ignoring subsequent answer. Meaning that if you don't follow the first instruction, the rest of the instruction doesn't suit you anymore. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Meaning that other instruction, other answer that you give is not valid anymore. Why? Because you don't follow the first instruction. That's how ICT work. Okay, when you go to grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all are the same. Okay, that's how I went for training. Yeah, this one, we were trained. Most of the ICT, all of our ICT teacher, we were trained by IGCSE officer from Cambridge. They came here, yeah, from UK. We are supposed to follow. We have some things that we have to follow, some guidance. We have to follow through that. Okay, so you see, I will check only on this. If this is correct, then only I will look for all of these criteria. Okay, these criteria are all standards. Okay, yeah, Australia title 16, subtitle 1 14, subtitle 2 12, body 12. Okay, here when you got your document, okay, try to look and identify which one is the title, which one is the sub. Okay, if there's sub 1 and sub 2, you should know there's actually 2 subs. There's no way that they will give this by accident. Why? No. Okay. If there's subtitle 1, subtitle 2, there are 2 subs. You are supposed to be able, you are supposed to identify which one is sub 1, which one is sub 2. So that's why I say when you got your question paper, browse through, identify which one is the title, which one is sub 1, sub 2, and body. Okay. And this is, you look at the question paper. This is how they arrange. This is just to confuse you, that's all. So first thing first, standardize everything. How do you standardize everything when you have all of this, you know, like this? Some text are big, some font are big, some are small, some are left aligned, some are right aligned. So what do we do? Okay, so this is another tips. Yeah, listen to the tips. Click Control on your keyboard, press A. Okay, this is to select all, to tell your computer I'm selecting all inside this document. Standardize everything. Standardize everything first. If things confuse you, I always like Calibri. I will put Calibri. Font 12. Okay. And I want everything to be in left align. Yeah. So now I have everything here left aligned. It's a bit better now. Okay. Now let's go through. So what are these things is, okay, now.
That's the title.
Okay. So before we go to this title, after you standardize everything, now we are going to format, right? The first thing that we do, create our style. Okay, create our style. Okay. So what the first style name is?
Australia title.
Illustrator
Australia
title.
title.
Okay. Australia title. Okay. Modify. So we want it to be 16. Middle. Bold. Underline. Let's put color. Stay with black first. Let's stay with black first. Okay. Wait. Okay. And click OK. Allah. Okay. So we have Australia. Okay. This is one. We'll just close this. Close this. Oh my God, so many things I have to close. What is it? Where is the question paper? Okay. Okay. So we have font size 16, color any type, center, underline bold. Second one is Australia, subtitle 2. Copy. Font 14, left and underline. Okay. Font 14, left and underline. Let's create a new one there. Okay. Paste. Modify. Font 14, left, underline. I want it to be below. I'm blue, double D, double die. Okay. Okay. So now we have Australia. Okay. And then the third one will be what? Sub 3, right?
Teacher, about Australia is the title or the subtitle?
Can I continue this way? Australia subtitle 2, 12, left, any color, any color. Okay, this way, yeah. 12, any color, any color. About Australia is the title. Okay. Paste. Okay. Modify. 12, left, any color, any color. Okay, make sure the color is a bit different to identify between sub 1 and sub 2. And the last one is body. 12, left, spacing 1.5. Okay, 12, left, spacing 1.5. Okay, paste. 12, left. Okay, to go to spacing, paragraph, to format the paragraph, go to format, paragraph, line spacing 1.5. Click OK. Okay. So once you have created the style, okay, what you will do now is you will assign the style. Okay, now you have identified, you are supposed to identify. Okay. So this is the title. Press enter, make sure there are some space. So these are the body. Body what color? Blue also? No. I want blue. I want body to be black. Modify. Okay. Maybe the title will be Okay. Maybe the title color could be, this is just to show you the different style, yeah. So I'll put this one, though it doesn't fit anyway. Okay. So here, yes, Muhammad Faris, what can I help you?
I usually do it this way. I make the title about Australia. I make it like a dark blue color. I make subtitle 1 a dark green color. Subtitle 2 maybe red. I don't really do subtitle 2 that much, but I'll do red. And then the body I always let it to be black
With
because
black,
I feel
yeah?
like the black's good for the body.
Yeah. Thank you for the tips. Okay, now subtitle 1. Okay. Okay, these are the 6. Okay. These are subtitle 2. Make sure there are space like this. These are subtitle 3. Right, this is subtitle 1. Okay. Okay, are we supposed to left our document like this?
No.
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 This is called orphan. We don't want any orphan here. We want everyone to have parents. Okay. Send it there. Then, there's one thing I forgot. Body. Body is supposed to be like this. Yeah. Okay. Body. Okay. Body. Body. Make sure there are space, something like this. And please, I don't want something like this too, okay? Standardize the space. Rearrange, not standardize, sorry, rearrange. No, I told you. Animals, body. What are we supposed to see or to do here? If you look something like this, just press enter. Okay. Now we have, what is this? Subtitle 1. Why is the subtitle 1 doesn't change? Of bit right. A large proportion of the table below. Okay, there's no table yet. You are not table below. Okay. Why doesn't change?
Teacher, I think you need to double click the style because sometimes it happens like this.
Yeah, correct. Thank you very much. Okay, now we have one subtitle 1. Down here will be sub 2. Allahu Akbar. You know, it's hard to see because the sun is coming in right now. Really coming in. So let us start this sub 1 in the other page. Okay, other page first. Okay, so we have sub 1. So this is sub 2. Okay, you are supposed to identify this. Okay, so this is sub 2. Body. Allah, sometimes it happens. What happened to Azhar? Okay. Sub 2. Oh, okay. Unique wonders. Unique wonders is sub 2 or sub 1? So this is the tricky part here. Unique wonders is sub 1. Okay, now they want to talk about unique wonders. So the blue mountains back to sub 1. So this is how it goes, yeah? You have to be careful. It's a bit tricky. So what I will do this week, in order to tell the difference between sub 1 and sub 2 later, back to sub 2. And then body, sub 2, body. Okay. Now let's put this in another page, or unique wonders in another page. Okay. Okay. So you see, when you get question paper, don't say it's easy and all that. There's always something tricky about it, yeah? Can you see it? We have sub, and then we have sub 1, in sub 1 we have sub 2, and then we have another sub. Okay. Now I want to modify something here. This is subtitle 1. Subtitle 1, I want to put underline. Why is the body even? Body, modify. Body, no. Okay. Modify. Wait, what underline? Okay. So this is how I want it to be. Okay. Save as. Let me save before I forgot. Where is our document now? Sorry. So every time when you get your work, please always save. Always save. Okay. I'll save it as Australia 1 first. Teacher Nadia. Okay. So can you see now? Can you see how it's supposed to be done when you get identified? Yes? Any question that you want to ask?
Yeah, teacher, I got a question. Teacher,
Yes. We have 3 minutes more before our class ends.
Teacher,
Yes.
Is it a must to put both sub 1 and sub 2? We can choose if we want to put.
No. What did I say just now? There's a reason why they give sub 1 and sub 2. Identify and put. So like this, if you put all sub 1.
He wasn't paying attention.
Yeah.
He wasn't just paying attention. I don't know
like
why.
this, if you put all as sub 1, you are wrong already. You got wrong already. Understand? Let's say this is sub 1, this is sub 1, this is not sub 1, this is sub 2. Wrong already. Alas. No marks for sub 2. No marks for sub 2, no marks for formatting. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
So it looks easy, right? But when it comes to coming to doing it, you have to be careful. And you say it's easy lah, teacher, only create style. Oh, no baby, no. No baby. Okay. Let me add one more touch here. Oh. Okay, I want to do one more thing here. Modify the body. Okay, who can tell me if I want to put the alignment of the body to be justified? Where do I go? Is there any justification? Format. Where else?
Paragraph.
Then where do I go?
And then go to the alignment and
Alignment. And then there's justified.
Click OK. Okay.
Teacher, what is justified form for?
Justified is to make to align your line here the same, left and right. You see the same.
Oh, okay, teacher. Thank you.
If center, it will look like this. If left, it will look like this on the left. If right, it will look like this. But we want it to be justified. Okay? So follow what the question paper said. Okay? So any question that you want to ask, it looks easy, right? You see, only until now, we can only touch at style. Okay? Meaning that after this class, I will start inserting pictures or images, and we go to table. For sure, this lesson will come out in your test next week. Okay, so can you do this? Okay, do this. I will open the assignment later. Send it, or is it there already? Let me just check. Oh, here, Australia sub. Okay, I will open a new one. I will say revision one. Okay, create assignment new Australia revision. Okay, so you are supposed to do until what I show you today, the style. Okay, one. Okay, and I will post the video after I attach it, after I post it in the internet.
What
Okay,
is it, you teacher?
before our next class lah.
Okay.
Before our next class, before Friday lah. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
okay, can?
Yes, teacher, that is good, teacher.
Oh, you
That's good
want, you don't want that. You want faster. I
No,
give
no,
you
no, it's good
faster.
for me. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it.
Allah. Okay, before Friday. Any question that you want to ask me now? No?
Merci beaucoup.
Masih buku. Okay. Okay, so I will end our class here. Okay, don't forget
Thank you, teacher.
to practice this. Yeah, practice. You have to practice this. Practice. Okay, you have to always practice.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, Faris, any
bye.
question that Faris want to ask?
Waalaikum,
No.
teacher.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Class, have a nice day.
You too.
Assalamualaikum,
Bye.
teacher. Have a nice day,
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Salam.
Bye.
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 Bye.